Like that looks really skinny. So I'm going to just move that. I don't want to do this. Just going to move this out a little bit. Otherwise it just looks way too skinny. Same thing all along here. Just select all the vertices and move them out a little bit. Looks a little better. Alright. Well, you can see these vertices here because I never rechecked the delete isolated vertices button. It doesn't really matter. It can get a little messy though. So if you click the remove isolated vertices, that'll delete any vertices like those ones there. Okay, I'm going to take down this wall, and you can see if I don't have this button checked, that vertice there is still there. But if I go back and check it and delete it, it's gone. I'm going to probably have to recreate this wall so that it'll work better with the little area to jump down. So I'm going to find out how far along this Y value is. Copy, duplicate that, and then move that over just enough. Click this wall, delete it, and recreate it basically. Ooh. See, I have that checked now, and my vertice that would be like right here is gone. Or no, it's still there thanks to that wall. Alrighty, it doesn't look like much happened, but now I'll be able to create this little area. I don't like how short this wall is compared to this wall, but I don't want it to be even, so I'm gonna find the Y, copy, paste. Now it's even, but if I click this button I can subtract like 10 from it, and now it's not perfectly even with it, so that like right now everything just looks all crazy boxy. But it works. Okay. I'm going to have to create that floor. There, so that they can jump down there. If you ever want to see what it looks like, you can either hit F3 to show the actual mesh, or F9 will make a render of it and makes it a little higher quality image rather than what you see right here. I like to leave it wireframe though. And I'm not happy with how that looks, so I'm going to move that back. Okay. You can see basically what I'm doing here for the level. I mean, there's nothing too difficult about creating a level for Halo. The hard part's just understanding tool and sapien. Sapien's not that bad. Sorry if this is horribly boring, but I usually don't talk to myself when creating a Halo level, so this is a little strange for me. Okay, you can see the little drop down area there now. Everything here is going to eventually need ceilings, obviously. But you can see everything that I selected before for my edges are still selected. Some of them I don't want to be selected anymore, so I'll unselect those. These ones here I don't want because those will be inside of a tunnel. I'm gonna find out how high that is and make these walls the same height. Okay, it doesn't want me to, so we'll have to eyeball it. And that looks pretty close. So here I'm actually going to have to wield that vertice, and I think all the other ones should be fine. Yeah. So you just click the wield selected button, and since it's selected right away, or it wielded right away, that means I got it really close, within 0.1 pixels apart. So that's alright. Now I'm going to have to create the ceiling for this area, which will be difficult for this open, well, oh shoot. Alright, I'm going to want to copy the height there, and I forgot to raise this one. If you can hear that noise, that's my phone ringing. But creating this tutorial, so I have to ignore my social life. Paste that, hit enter. That'll raise that up for you. But I'm going to create the roof inside the tunnel area here. As much as I can, which really isn't that much right now. Trying to think about how to get this area taken care of. Alright, I'm going to go one there, and then there's a vertice around here somewhere from that wall on the other side. There it is. I'm going to connect it right there. And then you can see I clicked that one. You couldn't see it, but I still got it. So there's that. I'm going to have to fill in that hole there as well. And it looks like right here we have two separate vertices that really shouldn't be separate. I just forgot to wield that, so this doesn't look that close, so it's going to give me an error message. If you make sure that you only have two vertices selected, you can just scale it down so that they're really close to each other, and then click the wield selected button and you'll be set.